Kent's Chrysler. It's new. Well, it's new to Kent. Low miles.
It looks brand new.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this thing's cool. Kent's had this a couple months. I think it's popped up as a cameo here and there. But once overtime. Wessie, what'd you find so far?
Well, she needs new belts. That's
a
obvious.
given. We were talking about that anyway.
And then you come over here to the power steering, and it's low
and scuzzy.
Scuzzy.
All right. Probably won't rebuild that. We'll probably just put fresh. How's this hose?
Might want to get new hoses. There's a little cracky in it.
Yeah, we'll get our boy at FNL to take care of that. What else you find, sir?
Got a valve cover leak.
Oh, that's
Common.
typical Mopar.
Very slight, but it's still there.
Gotcha. All right, and Kent wants to replace these red heater hoses because he hates them. And he also wants to put the factory style. Yeah, I know you hate those, but too bad.
Whatever.
Yeah, they look better.
Yeah.
I'm put the power steering cap back on.
And that cap.
The cap's cool because it's
Oh, look at the bottom of it.
intriguing. It's OG though.
Mm-hmm.
AC works great, and it's been converted to 134. We're not messing with it. Kent's driven this thing when it's been like 110 out. It's had given him no problems, so we're good there. Maybe before summer, we'll send this over to the boys at Bob's and get them to high efficiency that baby, just for safety.
Make her sprawl.
Yeah, we might want to put some original looking plug wires on it.
Yeah.
Everything else under the hood looks good.
Yeah.
No other findings?
Yeah.
Nothing crazy?
Bushings for how old the car is. Bushings look good.
It does look pretty good for its age, especially.
There's a little bit of residual on the fuel pump, but it looks like it's coming from other places.
Yeah, that oil or fuel?
It looks like oil. It's thick like oil.
Yeah, there's a little oil down there at the timing cover meets the pan. It's a little grease. Wow, look at that fuel filter. That thing's dirt old. We'll throw a fuel filter on there too.
Yeah.
Caps correct color. Points out, Pertronics in.
Mm-hmm.
We'll do that. That's standard go-to for everything. Every single car we encounter, points go right to the trash can because let's not live in the 1820s if we don't need to.
I love how this has this factory sticker right here.
Oh, Wes loves these things. Yeah, we both have a OE sticker. Love. What was the other thing? Over here on this valve cover, silicone. It's a little wet. Friggin' cork covers it. If I can get the nice perma-dries, we'll do it. Place this hose, obviously. Oh, spring has sprung. Alright, steering box looks good. Because you don't want to know how much those cost to get rebuilt properly. Yeah.
Bracket for the battery.
What in the hell? What in the hell?
What the hell?
Oh, easy enough. We'll spruce that up right now. But everything else looks pretty good under hood. There was one little thing in here Kent and I talked about, which we actually have to hunt for. If you notice that B-pillar trim on that side, note that this one is a broken B-pillar trim. Anybody that has that for this car, we'd love you a long time. But other than that, look at this beauty. She's spectacular. No clock. I've been trying to talk to Kent into hunting down a clock. Because we like that. Fairly base model, but AC car.
like those floor mats.
Huh?
Like the floor mats.
Yeah, those are cool. Floor mats are way cool. You know what else is cool? Thumb wheels. I love thumb wheels. You know who else loves thumb wheels? Tom Dole. He loves thumb wheels too. We've all got this big Chrysler fetish around here. Yeah, this Newport's awesome. Awesome.
That's a great thing. Training ain't leaking.
No trans leak.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. That's kind of shocking, actually.
Not wet. The oil pan's wet, but
That's
Mopar.
normal 50-year-old
Yeah.
Mopar. Just looks good. All right. Well, maybe we'll check out the brakes and a couple more once-overs, but I think we're kind of on it. We kind of know what we want to do. So underneath here, we're pretty clean. Look at that lower hose area right there.
Oh, yeah.
Might want to send that over to Bob sooner rather than later. Maybe we'll pressure test this real quick.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
We'll do that. But, I mean, bushings all look really, really good. There's patina. There's always going to be patina, but it's not bad.
No.
No, it's really clean. I mean, the bottom of the engine's got a little bit of oil on it. No big deal. The trans, I know it's hard to see from this angle, but the trans is damn near spotless. Good ride, man.
Motor mounts are a little cracked, but
Yeah, I told Ken about that. We'll probably end up doing motor mounts. Sorry, Wes, I know you. But this one's easier to get to than Chris's, so.
yeah, there's less shit.
You probably got to do them on the Monaco, too. But look at that. All right. Let's go underneath the backside. Do a little pressure test and call it good enough.
No.
It's not wet, it's just shiny.
I mean, just residual on it. It's nothing like.
Give it a smell.
It doesn't smell like fuel.
That's positive. Whew, shocks.
That's wetter than motherfucker though.
Oh, rear end's real wet. Ah, that's where that residual's coming from.
Yep.
All right, so the rear end's leaking. Those shocks, I mean, the springs are a little beat, but with the amount of miles, they're fine. Those shocks, man, oh boy.
Yeah.
Need to find some factory style. Some oil shocks. Gas shocks on these cars suck. So finding NOS shocks is good. I've already fixed a fuel leak twice up towards the front. You sniffing about?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, well that's shock for sure. Gas tank's solid.
Yeah.
Let me go up here to the rear end. Oh.
Yeah, looks like the seal.
On the front?
Yeah.
For the third member?
Yeah.
That's easy then. Easy enough. Yeesh. Yeesh. Yeah, we're gonna put some shockies on this baby. Other than that, man, it ain't bad. Especially for a 68. Obviously somebody redid the exhaust, but
Did a decent job at it.
yeah, it looks good.
Not like Midas.
Oh, God, no. Don't get me started. Midas touch. It's an STD. Proper radiator cap. That's what we'll get because we hate these lever caps. So,
Food looks a little dirty.
gonna pressure test. It ain't terrible. Alright, we got one pisser leak. No. Grab a screwdriver, sir. It's a Phillips, I think. That's fun. That was easy. Grab the pump and pump her back up, because I'm sure we lost some pressure. What's it say on the pressure gauge?
7.
7? Oh, we lost a shitload of pressure then. Go back to 16. Ruh-roh. Pinhole in the tank.
Got one over here too.
2 pinholes
3
in the tank. 3 pinholes in the tank. 4.
4.
5. The little one right here on the bottom. Oh no, that's not it yet. That's the paint chip. Alright, so we got 4 pinholes on the back side of the tank. Anything up front?
Solid. Check the bottom.
Well, our boys at Bob's Radiator will take care of that. Turn the light on down here. Lights. How does it look around that hose? Ooh, wet right here. Yep.
Oh, that hose looks good. Not gonna lie.
It's coming from down here. Hold on. Let me flip in here. Right at the seam down here on the bottom.
Sweet.
Fuck.
At least these are easy.
Yeah. I mean, shit we gotta do anyway. The fan clutch seen better days. Look at that thing.
Yeah, that's all.
Scuzzy. Fan clutch. Little scuzz.